Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can hide your Instagram story. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section. Right here you're going to find the search section. Here you're going to find explore, breeze, and lastly, right here you're going to find your profile icon. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to your profile page. And then once you're here, as you can see, guys, go to the top right corner. And then here you're going to find this icon. Click on it. And then right here, you're going to find the all of the settings related to your Instagram account. So right now, scroll a little bit down. Here you're gonna find how you use Instagram, and then here you're gonna find who can see your content. So right here, you're gonna find account privacy, close friends, blocked, and lastly, hide story and live. Go ahead and click on hide story and live, and then right here you're gonna find the option to hide your story and live. So go ahead and click on it. And then once you do that, you're going to find the list of your followers. And then you can choose the follower you want to hide your lives and stories from. So just select them and then click on done. And then you're going to be able to hide your story and live. So if you want to undo that, go ahead and again click on hide story and live. And then go ahead and unselect the people that you selected before to hide story from, and then click on done, and then you're going to be able to unhide it from them. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.